Hey runners! Are you tired of blisters, shin splints, or just feeling blah about your runs? Finding the right shoes can make all the difference, but with so many options out there, it's hard to know where to start. That's why I'm here to reveal the 5 best running shoes of 2024, tailored to your specific needs and goals. Whether you're crushing PRs, building endurance, or just getting started, this video will help you find the perfect pair to take your running to the next level. Stick around and let's get your feet flying. So now coming up with number 5. New Balance Fresh Foam X 1080V Thirthrine is a standout running shoe that excels in comfort, durability, and performance. Featuring the Fresh Foam X midsole foam, it delivers an exceptionally cushioned experience with 3% bio-based content, making it both comfortable and eco-friendly. The dual-density midsole combines 2 types of foam to provide the perfect balance of comfort and performance. Ideal for long-distance runners or casual joggers alike. The Endurance rubber outsole enhances durability in high-wear areas, ensuring these shoes last through countless runs. The engineered air mesh upper offers breathability and flexibility, keeping your feet cool and comfortable. While the shoe is slightly bulky compared to ultra-lightweight options, and its higher price point might be a drawback for some, the overall benefits make it a solid investment for those seeking quality and sustainability. Perfect for serious runners and those who value long-lasting, comfortable footwear. The New Balance Fresh Foam X 1080V Thirthrine is a top choice in the running shoe market. Number 4. Asics Nimbus 26 is a high-quality running shoe designed for comfort and sustainability. It features an engineered knit upper that wraps the foot in a soft, snug fit, enhancing both comfort and support. Impressively, 75% of the shoe's main upper material is made from recycled content, reducing waste and carbon emissions. The sock liner, produced using a solution dyeing process, further cuts water usage by 33% and carbon emissions by 45%. With pure gel technology, the Nimbus 26 offers lightweight cushioning and softer landings, perfect for runners on hard surfaces. Additionally, FF Blast Plus Eco technology provides softer landings and a responsive toe-off, giving an extra spring in your step. Ideal for long-distance runners who prioritize comfort and eco-friendliness, this shoe does have some drawbacks. It may be heavier than other running shoes and carries a higher price tag, which could be a concern for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, the Asics Nimbus 26 balances comfort, performance, and sustainability, making it a solid choice for many runners. Number 3. Hoka Clifton 9 is a remarkable running shoe, offering a blend of comfort, stability, and eco-friendliness. Featuring a breathable engineered knit upper and a gusseted tongue, it ensures a snug fit and prevents unwanted movement. The laces are made from 70% recycled nylon and 30% recycled polyester, highlighting its sustainability. The shoe's compression-molded EVA foam midsole, combined with early-stage meta rocker, provides excellent cushioning and promotes a smooth stride, making it ideal for long-distance runs. Its inherently stable geometry and durabrasion rubber outsole enhance balance and durability across various terrains. The vegan Clifton 9 boasts a significant use of recycled materials. 35% recycled polyester upper mesh, 60% recycled polyester collar and tongue lining, 87% recycled polyester strobel board, and 100% recycled polyester sock liner top cloth. Weighing 8.70 Oz with a 5.0 mm heel-to-toe drop, it caters to both seasoned marathoners and novice runners. However, the low drop might be challenging for those used to higher drops, and the cushioning might feel excessive to minimalistic runners. Despite the higher price point, the Clifton 9's blend of performance and eco-conscious design makes it a worthy investment for daily training and long-distance running. Number 2, Brooks Ghost 15 is designed for runners seeking a smooth ride with a secure fit, offering neutral support and high energizing cushioning. Featuring DNA Loft V2 cushioning, it provides a balanced, soft feel underfoot, making it ideal for those who enjoy a cushioned run. Certified as a PDAC A5500 diabetic shoe and granted the APMA seal of acceptance, it's a reliable choice for those needing specialized foot care. The shoe's smooth ride and consistent transitions are perfect for long-distance runners, everyday joggers, and beginners looking to invest in quality footwear. However, the high cushioning, while comfortable, can feel bulky to those who prefer minimalist shoes, and the neutral design may lack sufficient arch support for some users. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Brooks Ghost 15 excels in comfort and support, making it a top contender for a wide range of runners. If you're in the market for new running shoes, the Brooks Ghost 15 is worth trying, potentially becoming your new favorite. Number 1. Saucony Men's Endorphin Pro 2 is a top-tier running shoe designed for serious runners. Featuring speed roll technology, it propels you forward effortlessly, perfect for long-distance runs. The ultralight PW Run PB cushioning, combined with a carbon fiber plate, provides a balance of comfort and speed, ensuring a responsive and stable run. Improved heel support and a revamped lacing system offer a snug fit, reducing distractions. Environmentally conscious runners will appreciate its vegan composition and recycled upper materials. While the price point is high and may not fit every budget, and the ultralight cushioning might not suit heavier runners or those with specific foot conditions, the shoe's performance benefits are undeniable. The snug fit may also be a drawback for those with wider feet, so trying it on before purchase is advisable. Ideal for marathon trainers, personal record seekers, and daily runners. The Endorphin Pro 2 is a high-performance shoe that stands out for its innovative features and sustainability efforts. If you're looking to enhance your running performance with a focus on speed and eco-friendliness, this shoe could be a perfect match. So that's wrapping our list of top 5 running shoes of 2024. Whether you're looking for exceptional cushioning, responsive performance, or a versatile daily trainer, these shoes have been rigorously tested and proven to deliver exceptional quality, comfort, and durability. By considering your individual running needs and preferences, you can find the perfect pair of shoes to help you achieve your fitness goals and enjoy a comfortable and rewarding running experience. Remember, the best shoe is the one that feels good on your feet and helps you reach your running goals. But your journey doesn't end here. Head over to the comments section below and let me know which shoe caught your eye. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.